bottom rooms.
Welcome to Citywest, Saggart, Dublin, where modern living meets unbeatable convenience. This professionally managed residence offers over 100 bed spaces, meaning you'll always find the right room option to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're a student, young professional, or working tenant. A vibrant community, yet designed with comfort, privacy, and peace of mind in mind. Reach Dublin City Centre in just 45 minutes on the Luas, or 30 minutes by bus. With the N7 and M50 close by, getting around is effortless. Daily essentials. Tesco, Duns, Lidl, and local shops are only minutes away. Stay active with 24/7 gyms, leisure clubs, and pools nearby. Students and professionals will love the location. TU Dublin, DBS, Griffith, Trinity, UCD, and DCU are all within easy reach. And for part-time work, Citywest has it all: retail, cafes, hospitality, plus over 200 multinationals at the Citywest Business Campus offering opportunities across admin, logistics, and tech. Live where convenience, lifestyle, and opportunity come together. Your new chapter starts here, in the heart of Citywest, Saggart.